Hello everybody. Happy Saturday. I just have like 1 hour break in between my seminar, which is a trader psychology, and I had a discussion with my coach, and the reason I can't progress faster in what I'm doing is because I'm too active. I couldn't believe this. Hello James. I couldn't believe this, and he said to me, "You are too active." I said, "What do you mean you are too active?" I told I have to be too active. I have to take too much action, and take big action and everything. Everybody's talking about taking action. He said, "You are taking too much action. Sometimes you just need to hang out, not do anything." I said, "What do you mean? You have to just hang out and do nothing?" He said, "Yeah. You have to be okay with sometimes you don't need to do anything. I'm very active. I sleep only 2-3 hours a night, all the time, or I'm learning, or, working, or, trying to be a good father and spend time with my kids. And 17 years, I haven't watched television, don't watch no film, no nothing, because I don't want to waste my time." And he said to me, "You are too active. There is no rush. Calm down." Thank you very much, James. I hope you have a good lesson. Yeah, and he said to me, "You are too active. You're doing too much." I said, "But I can't just lie down on the sofa and do nothing. Always I have to do something. I feel guilty of not doing it." He said, "Well, that's the problem. You shouldn't feel guilty of not doing anything. Sometimes we just need to chill. We just need to enjoy the moment. It's not about just working. Hello, Louise. Thank you for watching. Yeah, and I was surprised. I was thinking, what is he talking about? Everybody keep telling you, take action, do this, do that. You got to go working, you got to do work, you got to do this. And I was surprised when he said to me, shh, just take a moment, breathe, relax. It's okay not to do anything. Sometimes we just need to just chill out. Just sit on the sofa and watch a movie or something. Have a Netflix day or something. I hated people sitting there and just watching film because I think like they're wasting their time. But he's right. The reason my progress is gonna slow in the training I do for stock market and trading is because of my psychology of always I want to be active, always I want to do something. I feel like if I don't do it, I wasted my time. Yes, time is very important, it's precious. But also sometimes your mind and your body needs to just chill and relax. He called it strategic laziness. And I just found it really fascinating because I wouldn't think there is such a strategy as well to help you progress faster to where you want to go. So it's okay. Sometimes you need to have a sofa day. And I'm going to make sure I'm going to have more sofa day. I think I've been too active. I read like 6 or 7 books a week. 24, even if I'm in the shower, I've got like my earpiece in my ear and I'm listening to more books. And I think I just need to chill a little bit and, try to just, use the strategic laziness strategy. I don't know there is such a strategy, but hey ho, every day you learn something new. I hope you guys have a nice day and have a strategic laziness Saturday and chilling and enjoying your time while I've got to listen to these people for another 5 or 6 hours, and then I go to my hotel, and then tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. But yeah, there is no rush. He asked me, "Where are you going?" I said, "What do you mean, where am I going? I'm just trying to do all this stuff, do this, do that, practice this, practice that, read this book." He said, "But what about your rest?" I said, "Well, I don't need rest, because I feel like I have the energy." He said, "No, it's not about having the energy. It's about giving time to your brain to think about all this stuff you learn, all these things you are doing, so you can give feedback to yourself." You know, so hey, oh yeah, yeah, that's a strategic laziness for you. So it's okay. Not sometimes not to do something, just chilling, just hanging out, just going out with your friend and just chatting about rubbish. You know, I just hate to be in a company of somebody who is not making a meaningful conversation. But now I realize you don't have to always make meaningful conversation. Sometimes you just have chit chat. You know, I thought chit chat is like waste of time, but he's right. You know, I need to have more chit chats. I hope you have a nice Saturday and enjoy your Saturday. Thank you for watching. If you're watching this in live, just comment live or hashtag replay if you're watching replay, so I know when you're more free to watch the video, so I do the live more on that time. Why do I call it the coach in the car? I've got 4 kids, and for last 8 or 9 years I kept waiting, thinking, this kid is gonna grow up and then I'm gonna do it at home. I'm gonna turn one of the room to camera room and stuff. But it seems like more kids are coming along and never gonna be the time for me to do my live or do what I love to do. So I decided to just do it in my studio, in my car, and it's soundproof and everything is perfect. Hi Robert, thank you for watching. Hi Derek, thank you for watching. Guys, if you share, like or comment, you might help somebody else. Maybe somebody else is in the same position of thinking the same as me, thinking you just always have to be active and do something. I'm feeling guilty of not doing it. But this is a very nice strategy actually. It's a very important strategy as well. I hope you enjoyed my live and thank you for watching, and see you later on. I've got to get back in.